on so you can see me coming up out this damn hole.
There you go.
Cause I took a couple of them while I was down there.
Okay.
Alright, you ready for me, Pat?
Did the damn thing.
Ain't a leak, G.
Okay, sweet.
Ain't a leak, baby.
Sweet.
You can try your tub. That sink, we got to do a little work, but that's the upper part, though.
But you gotta give me a couple days now. I got you. The main thing. You got me coming up out here?
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Hard day's work.
I told him this how a 53-year-old female get down. Niggas get on it. Get your money, Negro.
I thought you was 43.
53, baby. And count. Count every day.
That's young.
Hey. I tell you, I was what, man? I was so far into this house, I was on the other end of the wall.
Man.
Shaking Pat hand.
Through the window.
Outside. On the ground.
I couldn't fit. So.
I had to go. That's all right, though.
What's the name of the group, man?
Get it done.
Get It Done Projects.
Get it done projects.